Hello, my dear children. Very good morning. You're most welcome in class 11th accountancy. It is IRR Tripathi. It is RR Tripathi from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Just going to explain balance sheet, final account with adjustment. How the adjustments are adjusted in balance sheet. I would like to explain through the question number 3. In previous video, you have seen the trading account, profit and loss account, and in this video, for the same question number 3, I am going to prepare the balance sheet. Now see the question number 3. First, we have to ascertain by preparing the balance sheet. Any organization ascertains its financial position. What are the assets and liabilities in the organizations are available. So now see the question number 3. I would like to read that one. This one is the question number 3. The trading account and the profit and loss account have been prepared for the sake of you in previous video, and in this video I am going to prepare the balance sheet of this organization on 31st March 2017. The following trial balance was extracted from the books of Mohan. Mohan, one of the proprietor of the organization, just how the money invested, and he starts the business, commences the business. At the end of the year, the trading and profit and loss account and balance sheets are being prepared. That's why just I am going to prepare that one. So first we have to draw the format of balance sheet. This way, just balance sheet, draw the two parallel line and just the vertical line, amount column, and this one is the middle of the line. Now this one is the amount, you can see, and top of the head, balance sheet of Mohan, balance sheet as on 31st March 2017. This one is the column of liabilities. Liabilities, amount, and this one is the assets, amount. There is no debit and credit in the balance sheet. Now see, in liabilities column, first go through the information given in the trial balance, and below the trial balance the adjustments are given. Now capital in credit column, go through the credit column. What are the capital and liabilities given? Capital, so first we have to write the capital in credit column. Capital that is given 30,000. Inside this will be posted or recorded inside. And what are the adjustment? What were the just the firm earned the profit by preparing the profit and loss account. The profit ascertained by the accountant, that is 14,700 of net profit by preparing the profit and loss account. So the capital increases. Now add net profit, the steps by preparing the balance sheet. Add net profit, NP, net profit earned by the firm, that is 14,700. 14,700 007 4 44,700 after adding the net profit. The capital will be. And drawing given. Drawings, you know, drawings means drawings refer such amount which has been used by the proprietor for his personal use. Whatever the drawing made by the proprietor, that is given 5,000. So the drawing will be deducted from capital. So the capital decreases, less drawing. Minus 5,000. Minus 5,000. 39,700 will be the actual capital at the end of the year. At the end of the year, after all adjustment by adding net profit and deducting the drawing, whatever the money withdrawn by the proprietor for his personal use. So next item in credit column, creditors given. Creditors. Creditors 10,000. Inside of the column. It will be written inside of the column. Why? Because of in additional information, private purchase accounting to rupees 4,000 have been debited to purchases account. So it has been deducted from the purchase. That's why the creditor will also less. They also will be less. That's why it is just the private purchase also deducted from the creditors. Less private purchase. Less private purchase minus 4,000. That will be the 6,000. Then after in credit column 700 provision for bad debts. it has been included in profit and loss account. It is recorded, and then after returns and discount, then bills payable. Bills payable. Bills payable given rupees 2000. And go through the additional information. Outstanding salary, that is given 200, adjusted in profit and loss account, as well as this will be the dues for the current year, and it will be paid in next year. That's why it is recorded as liability of the enterprise, outstanding salary. Outstanding salary 200. After that, bank loan also given. Bank loan also in credit column given 9,500. 9,500. Whatever the loan in credit column that is given 9,500. This one is the liability of the enterprise. Now this is the credit column of trial balance, and the adjustment in liability column filled. Now come to the point of assets column. In assets column, capital, drawing, and debtors and creditors. Debtors, just we have to write over here debtors. Debtors in that is given 20,000. Less provision, whatever in additional information that is given, provision is to be made for the doubtful debts, that is 5% on debtors. So less provision. Less provision because of less provision, 5% is equal to minus 1,000, because the debtors decreases. Why? The debtors decrease because of that 1,000 provision made. So the amount in amount column 19,000. Now come to the bank loan, interest on loan, cash available in the organization. Cash is equal to 2,000. Provision for bad debts, stock, motor vehicles, just the depreciation given, motor vehicles amount that is given 10,000. So we can write over inside 10,000, and whatever the depreciation made for the vehicles, just it will be deducted from the value of the assets motor vehicle less depreciation. Less depreciation, that is 20%. 20% in additional information given minus 2000. Minus 2000, that will be the 8000. That will be the 8000. And then after motor vehicles, bank, cash available in the bank, that will be the asset. In bank column, 3,500. 3,500. 3,500. And then after land and building, just land and building. Land and building, that is given 12,000. And 2 whole half percent. 2 half, that is depreciated. It has been depreciated, so the amount will be 300. So less depreciation minus 300. Outside of the column, in amount column, 11,700. Land and building. Then after bad debts, purchase and sales, returns, carriage outward, carriage inward, salary, rent and insurance, advertising, discounting, general expenses, bills receivable. That is the amount just received in future. That's why it will become assets recorded in bills receivable. Bills receivable, that amount given 6,000. In additional information, go through the additional information, land and bill, salary, stock, closing stock. Closing stock also just it will be resold next year. That's why it will become assets. Closing stock given. Closing stock, the value of closing stock is equal to 7,000. 7,000. Other information, prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance. So we can write over here prepaid insurance. The benefit will be taken in future. That's why it will become also asset. Prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance, that is 200. 200. Now dear children, whether the total of assets column equal to total of liabilities column, you know the accounting equation, assets is equal to liabilities plus capital, A is equal to L plus C. That is the formula. Whether both sides are equal, you can find your question, your financial statement is correctly prepared. Now total of this one, just 0, 0, 4, just that will be the total. 57,400 is the total of the assets column, and thus the total of the liabilities column we can see just the total 729540 and 75 57,400. It is proved that the financial statement, income statements as well as balance sheet are correctly prepared. No doubt. Now you can see everything: capital, increment in capital by adding net profit and deducting the drawing. Then all the liabilities given: creditors 10,000. This one is the information given, additional information. You can find the private use purchase that is included, so it has been deducted from the creditors. It will also become less, and bills payable, outstanding salary and bank loan. In assets column, debtors less provision, whatever the provision made for the assessment year on debtors, and cash available, motor vehicle depreciated by 2,000, and bank in cash in bank available 3,500, land and building also depreciated by 300, and bills receivable, closing stock, whatever the goods remain unsold at the end of the year, just for the next year it can be resold, and prepaid insurance, the benefit will be taken by the organization in future, that's why it will become assets. So the balance sheet is matched. Thank you very much, and keep on watching. Through the information you can deserve the profit and loss account, trading account, and 2 videos made for this question for the sake of you. Thank you.